For the third silo, let's choose air mattress. We have chosen two silo topics from the list we made from the data provided by Amazon. Let's choose this one from Google Ad Group suggestions. Let's now head over to Keyword Revealer and see how many keywords we can find that start with best or end in reviews. Let's type in air mattress and run a search. Let's list all the keywords that begin with best. It lists 40 keywords. Let's set the average minimum monthly searches to 40. It lists 38 keywords. Let's evaluate the keyword difficulty scores of each of these keywords. Let's save this. The top 10 is not optimized. This looks good. There's a domain authority 23 site here, and there's a DA15 site here. Let's save this. Let me pause the video while I evaluate the keyword difficulty scores of the rest of the keywords. We were able to find 11 keywords using just Keyword Revealer alone. In the next video, we will use SEMrush and Keyword Revealer together to find a few more buyer keywords. Let's now use SEMrush and Keyword Revealer together to find more keywords that either start with the word best or end in reviews. Let's do a search for air mattress using SEO keyword magic. Let's now get the tool to list all keywords that begin with the word best. There are quite a few keywords here. Let's set the minimum search volume to 40. Let me find keyword phrases that are unique to this list that we do not have here, and let me put those phrases into a notepad file. I'll pause the video while I do that. There are 6 keywords that are unique to this list. Let's evaluate the keyword difficulty of each of these now. The top 10 results are not very well optimized, and there's a domain authority 19 site with a page authority of 1 and 0 backlinks ranking at the 5th position. This is an easy keyword. Let's save this. Let's skip this one. It gets 90 searches a month, but we already have a similar keyword here. best air mattress for camping. So let's skip this one. This is a very easy keyword. You see this domain authority 1 site with a page authority of 1 and 0 backlinks. Let's save this keyword. This is another easy keyword. Let's save this. The top 10 is not well optimized. Let's save this one. Right now we have 16 keywords. Let's now find phrases that end in reviews. Here's the list. Let me evaluate the keyword difficulty of a few of these. I'll pause the video while I copy a few of these into a notepad file. I will evaluate the keyword difficulty of each of these phrases now. A lot of these are brand name keywords. So if even a few of these meet our search criteria, we will not have to do a separate search for product name keywords. Let me pause the video while I evaluate the keyword difficulty scores of each of these. A few of these keywords satisfied our search criteria and we now have 24 keywords. In the next video, we will find a few long tail keywords. We will now use SEO keyword magic to find long tail buyer keywords. Let's now search for keywords containing for. Let me select unique keywords from this list that we do not have here and put them in a notepad file. I will pause the video while I do that. There were 18 unique keywords in this list. Let me find the keyword difficulty scores of each of these phrases. I will pause the video while I do that. Several of these keywords here fulfilled our search criteria and we now have 37 keywords. Even though we already have more keywords for this silo than we need, we will include a few keywords containing verses because those are really strong buyer keywords. Let's now see if we can find a couple of words containing verses. There are just 4 keywords. Let me evaluate the keyword difficulty of each of these. This has a keyword difficulty score of 21. Let's save this. Let's save this as well. This has a difficulty score of 39. Let's skip this. It gets 50 searches a month. We now have 39 keywords for this silo. In the next video, we will find 3 to 5 informational keywords. We now have 39 keywords for this silo. Let's now find around 5 informational keywords. Let's start by finding keywords that contain of. There are only 5 keywords here in this list. None of these are very interesting. Let's now find some keywords that contain what. We can select this one, what are air mattresses made of. Let's now search for keywords that contain how. There are quite a few keywords here. Let's select this one, how to patch an air mattress. This one, how to blow up an air mattress. How to deflate an air mattress. Okay. How to clean an air mattress. This will be good. We now have 5 informational keywords. Since we already have several product keywords here, we will not be needing any more product keywords. In the next video, we will put together the blueprint.